Good morning everyone. This is Mike of MLB Accounting. Today's topic will talk about rank vesting. So this rank vesting is a new concept that you can use if you want to enter the property market sooner. Let's say you are living in the city, but in an apartment in the city, you enjoy the comfort of living there because you just use the tram, you can walk to your place, to your workplace, but you know that it's not good or it's not nice to invest in apartment because it may not give you the best capital growth. So maybe you can buy an investment elsewhere and then you can start becoming a property investor. But at the same time, you still live in the city, you still enjoy the lifestyle and the comfort. Let's say you work in Backhill as a nurse. You want to buy a property in Backhill, but you can't really afford because it's millions now. And you can see that your savings is not enough. But your savings may be enough to buy you a place in Melton. So what do? Maybe you buy that place in Melton, you start becoming a property investor, but still live in the suburb of Backhill because that is close to your work and you are already accustomed to the lifestyle there. Now slowly you increase the passive income that you generate from these properties, and then you can buy your dream house, or you can start your journey to financial freedom. Buying your dream house is really an emotional one. It's an emotional decision rather than a rational one. So maybe rent vesting is a way to give you that lifestyle and also to give you that feeling of becoming a property investor. So that is like shooting two birds with one stone. Enjoying your dream house at the moment. You are enjoying the lifestyle of living in a place that is close to your work, but starting to become a property investor sooner than you think. So again, this is Mike of MLB Accounting. Think about it. Maybe this is the time to start your property investment while still living in the comfort of the house or the lifestyle that you are accustomed to live with. Thank you. See ya.